So meron naman tayong itetest yung API, no? So test natin yung withdrawal nila on mining. Okay? Ito yung API, nakikita nyo, yung API token. So ito yung minamine nila. Okay. So ito try natin. So meron tayo ditong na-mine na. So API, okay, hanapin ko lang si API. Kasi marami tayong mga opportunities. So ito guys, ito yung gusto kong i-test. So meron akong ilang T-flaps dito. So, okay. So, ayan. Okay. So, explore muna natin. So, already collected 20.69. Okay. So, dito guys, ito yung home, no? Para meron kayo idea. May current TF power ako. Okay. T-flaps power. So, 180 T-flaps power. So, para tong ito yung hash power. Pero, this kind of technology is medyo iba. So, kinopya nila, kung baka kinopya almost yung mining system ng Bitcoin, pero in an AI form, no? So, ganun siya. Okay, so titingnan natin yung ating mining. So, ito, meron akong 20.6 API. So, i-try natin execute, okay? Na we withdraw. Okay, so i-claim natin. So, i-test natin. So, 20 API. Tapos kung paano natin i-withdraw. Okay? So, i-test natin siya. So, wait is claiming. So, I'm testing. Successful receive. So, na-test natin. Ganito guys. Successful receive. So, what I expect, dapat pupunta yan sa wallet mo. Okay? So, ganun katindi tong mining na to. So, okay. So, itinest ko. I-close ko lang to. Okay, log out. So, i-test natin. Yan. So, kung nandyan na nga dito sa wallet natin. So, yan. Ayun, nandito na yung API, guys. So, ganun kabilis, guys, yung API, no? Tapos, kung ibebenta mo tong API, dito, guys, no? Ayan, no? So, i-trade mo. I-test natin ibenta. Kung gusto mong BNB or USDT. So, i-test natin ang max. So, ang halaga niya, mabibenta yan ng $2 and USDT. So, meron lang gas fee. Trade natin. So, yun yung ginawa natin kung paano execute kahit onting API pa lang guys kung paano natin makokolect. Tignan natin guys. Alright. So, swapping na tayo for USDT. Wow! Grabe guys. Ayan na, 2.7. So, dapat makita natin, mawala yung API natin dyan kung paano siya mabibenta. So, mawala yan guys. Mawala yung API dyan. So, 0 API. Tignan natin kung nasa USDT na guys. Grabe guys. So, perfect. Grabe tong API technology na to guys. So, I will start mining again and mining. Magbibili ako ng maraming T-flaps guys. So, keep posted guys sa bawat update na gagawin natin guys. Grabe. This is another new opportunity of mining through this kind of API finance. Kumbaga, AI finance technology. So, number 1 to na edge na nakikita ko na very different concept na merong technology ngayon. So, na-test na natin yung unang test natin sa kanila. Grabe. Tapos nung tingnan natin yung mga blockings paano nangyayari. So, nandito yung technology. Every seconds, merong merong mining na nagaganap. No? So, yan. Nag-execute siya. Nag-interact siya, guys. So, grabe yan. Per seconds, guys. So, okay, so keep posted guys. So kung interested kayo to mining this kind of technologies, AI finance guys, I will send the link. I-copy paste lang natin. And I will show you more, okay, business model like this. So happy earnings everyone. Happy earnings.